it's time to meet our bright and talented contestants from the juniors category, each representing their respective houses with pride and determination. From Achievers, we have Krishna Sharma from 6th B, Priya Pal from 7th B. From Blazers, we have Diya Karki from 6th B, Arvind Mal from 5th B. From Challengers, we have Pranjali Joshi from 7th B, Roshni Pandey from 7th B, and determiners, we have Kritika Adhikari, 8th B, and Sohaib Khan, 7th B.
Round 1 is the warm-up round. Let's start with some simple yet interesting words to warm up. First word for the Blazers house is admiring.
ADMIRING.
Marvelous, that's the correct answer.
First word for challengers is imagination.
IMAGINATION.
Well done, it's the correct answer.
For determiners house, your first word is punctuality.
PUNCTUALITY, punctuality.
Fantastic, that's the correct answer.
Now moving to Blazers house, your first word is opinion.
OPINION.
Well done, it's the correct answer. Your second word is techniques.
PECHNIQUES.
It's a correct answer. Your fifth word is screaming.
SCRAMING.
It is correct answer. Wonderful performances by all. You are truly living up to the spirit of your houses.
And now, the much awaited moment is here. Our judges have evaluated each response carefully and the results are as follows.
Achievers scored 85 points. Blazers scored 40 points. Challengers scored 55 points. And determiners got 40 points.
And the house that takes home the title of Sparagon champion is Achievers House. Congratulations to our winners.
Now it's time to meet our bright and talented contestants from the seniors category, each representing their respective houses with pride and determination. From Achievers House, we have Himakshi from 9th A, Shreya Bora from 11th Science. From Blazers, we have Komal Talabodi from 9th B and Prerna Giri from 11th Commerce. From Challengers, we have Dhairya Sao from 11th Science and Vaishnavi Karki from 12th Commerce. From Determiners, we have Kartik Agrawal from 12th Science and Natik Sao from 11th Science. For Achievers, your first word is assumption. ASSUMPTION. Well done, it's the correct answer. For Blazers, your first word is frustrated.
FIUSTRATED.
Well done, it's the correct answer.
For challengers, your first word is recklessly.
RECKLESSLY.
Well done, it's the correct answer. And for determiners, your second word is magnificent.
MAGNEFICIANT.
It was close, but it's an incorrect answer.
Now it's time for the results of round 1. Achievers House got 35 points, Blazers House got 35 points, Challengers House got 50 points and Determiners House got 20 points. Moving on to round 2, the rapid fire round.
For Achievers House, your first word is pharmaceutical. PHARMACEUTICAL. That's the correct answer. Your second word is misguiding. MISGUIDING. It's the correct answer. Your third word is categorization. CATERGIZATION. It was a tiny miss, but it's an incorrect answer.
And now, the much awaited moment is here. Our judges have evaluated each response carefully and the results are as follows. Achievers House got 40 points, Blazers House got 85 points, Challengers House got 100 points and Determiners House got 40 points. And the house that takes home the title of Sparagon champion is Challengers House. Congratulations to our winners.
Very warm and cheerful morning to one and all present over here. I cheerfully greet our Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, all our dynamic teachers, participants and our students. On the behalf of Rainbow Academy, I, Ritika Joshi.
And I, Darshan Negi, take this opportunity to welcome you all for the Inter-House GK competition. So today I am extremely elated at how So many young faces are here to determine their territories through their brains.
So we have Ayush and Bhavya from Achievers House,
Bihan and Gauravi from Blazers House,
Garvit and Chitransh from Challengers House.
and Pratik and Ayan from Determiners House.
Let's give them a huge round of applause to all of them. So, here is the first question of the first round to Achievers House. Which is the largest animal on the land?
African elephant.
Amazing. The second question is, what is the house of a cow called as?
Set.
Very good. Now, let's move to Challenger's house. So, my first question to Challenger's house is, which animal has a horn on its nose?
Rhinoceros.
Very good. My second question is, how many legs do most insects have?
6.
Very good.
Now moving on to Determiners House, the first question is, what is the fastest running animal on the earth?
Cheetah.
Yeah, absolutely correct answer. Now we are moving on to the second round, and the second round is the rapid fire round.
Here's the first question of the second round for Achiever's house. Which animal has stripes on its body?
Tiger and zebra.
Amazing. Your second question is, tell the young one of deer.
Fowl.
Very good. My fourth question is, how many eyes does a honeybee have?
5.
Excellent. Let us move towards our final round. Now, the final round is going to be one of the most crucial round as it is a buzzer round.
So the first question for the final round is, what is the world's poisonous bird? Blazers House.
Who did the throw?
Absolutely correct answer. Now the second question is, what is the fruity name of a flightless bird? Yeah, that's the correct answer. Challengers House. Now the third question for the final round is, what is the scientific study of insect called as? Blazers House.
Entomology.
Absolutely correct answer. Now the fourth question is, what is the three main body parts of an insect? Determiners House.
Head, thorax and abdomen.
That is the correct answer. Now the cumulative score for the final round is, Achievers House have scored 70 points, Blazers have scored 110 points, Challengers have scored 115 points, and Determiners House have scored 80 points. So the winner of the sub-junior inter-house GK competition is Challengers House.
Let me introduce our team who are participating in this competition. We have Amra and Siddharth from Achiever's House,
Ritika Best and Supriya Giri from Blazers House,
Mohit Pandey and Kartik Kesarwani from Challenger's House.
and Suman and Harshit Joshi from Determiners House.
Let's give them a huge round of applause to all of them. Here is the first question of the first round for Achiever's House. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born?
Porbandar, Gujarat.
Absolutely correct. My second question is, what slogan is Shastri famously known for?
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Amazing. My third question is, which city is known as the City of Lakes?
Jaipur.
You spot on. My fourth question is, who invented the telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Amazing. My last question from Achiever's House is, which was happened during Lal Bahadur Shastri tenure as PM?
Indo-Pak.
Amazing. You nailed it, Achiever's House.
Now moving on to Blazers House, the first question is, what is the name of Gandhi's autobiography?
The story of my experiments with truth.
Absolutely correct answer.
Now, let's move to Challenger's House. My first question for Challenger's House is, who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi?
Nathuram Godse.
Spot on.
Now moving on to Determiners House, the first question is, which is the largest freshwater lake in India?
Polar Lake in Jammu and Kashmir.
That is absolutely the right answer. Now moving on to Blazers House, the first question is, in which country is Tashkent located?
Uzbekistan.
Absolutely correct answer. The second question is, which is the largest union territory of India?
Jammu and Kashmir.
That is the correct answer. Now the third question is, what weekly journal did Gandhi publish?
Young India.
Absolutely correct answer.
This is the end of the second round. Achievers has scored 25 points, Blazers has scored 50 points, Challengers has scored 50 points, and Determiners also have scored 50 points.
So the first question for the final round is, which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Determiner's house.
Punjab.
Yes, that is absolutely the correct answer. Now the second question is, which Indian Prime Minister shares a birthday with Mahatma Gandhi? Challenger's house.
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Yeah, that is absolutely the correct answer. Now, the third question is, who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Achiever's house.
Milkha Singh.
Yeah, that is absolutely the correct answer.
So now the final result are Achievers House has scored 85, Blazers has scored 100, Challengers has scored 95, and Determiners has also scored 95. Congratulations, Blazers! Here is the first question of the first round for Achievers House. When did Lal Bahadur Shastri first join Nehru's cabinet?
1952.
Wonderful! You are showing great presence of mind.
Now let's move to Blazer's house. So the first question to Blazer's house is, who did Lal Bahadur Shastri marry in 1928?
Lalita Devi.
Yeah, absolutely correct answer.
Now let's move to Challenger's house. My first question for you is, who designed the Indian national flag?
Pinkali Venki.
Absolutely right.
Now moving on to Determiner's house, the first question is, which act is also known as Black Act?
Rowlatt.
Yeah, that is the correct answer.
Achievers has scored 50 marks. Blazers has scored 50 marks. Challengers has scored 50 marks. And Determiners has scored 50 marks. So, here is the first question of the second round for Achievers House. When was civil disobedience movement launched?
1930.
That's spot on.
So the second question to Blazer's house is, from which station in South Africa Gandhi was thrown out of the train?
Peter Maritzburg.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
My first question for Challenger's House is, when did the Chauri Chaura incident took place?
February 4, 1922.
Amazing.
Now let's move to Determiner's house. So the first question to Determiner's house is, where was the second round table conference held?
London.
Yeah, that's absolutely the right answer.
The scoreboard is showing the score details of each team. Achievers has scored 50 marks, Blazers has scored 40 marks, Challengers has scored 50 marks, and Determiners also has scored 50 marks. You all are doing really great. Let us move towards our final round. Now, the final round is going to be the most crucial round as it is going to be a puzzle round.
So here is the first question for the final round. By whose work was Gandhiji influenced by?
Leo Tolstoy.
Yeah, absolutely correct answer. Now the second question is, when and where was Lal Bahadur Shastri born?
2nd of October 1984, Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, that is absolutely the correct answer.
Now, may I have the scores of all the houses? Achievers has scored 100, Blazers has scored 130, Challengers has scored 110, and Determiners has scored 100. So, the results are clear. The winner house of the senior category for GK quiz competition is Blazers House. Congratulations, Blazers.
Like the video, like, share and subscribe our channel.